Okay, so, as is oft to happen, when I do stupid shit, things get wet and they die. In this case, the solar charge controller, fake mppt, took a dive in the sailboat, the solar sailboat. So I'm going to take it out and see what we can find inside. Well, this is going to be a pain in the ass. They're all corroded. I will flip back in a second. Okay, I got the screws removed, mostly. Yeah, she's dead. Okay, we're getting through. No inductors, no coils. That is not mppt. Well, maybe. That's probably just for the 5 volt. Yeah, you'd need bigger coil to do mppt, maximum power point tracking, by changing the voltage to optimize it for the best for the panels. So yeah, this is definitely fake mppt. That coil down here is just used in the DC-DC buck converter to drop it down to 5 volt for the USB, which by the way are complete shit. I can't even get 200 milliamps, maybe 500 at max, but it won't charge any phone that I've thrown at it, or any smartwatch, or any device at all, even the CPAP cleaner. So complete crap, but for $7, she's a win. PWM, I think it's 10 amp, maybe 20, 30, 40 amp, one of those. $7, eBay. Good luck, boys. Be safe out there. Don't get things wet.